Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add color in black and white photo using AI. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using CapCut, so you can create or sign up account on it, and then on left side you see AI tool, so click on it. So we are going to add color in photo, and then you see multiple option. Now you see 4 images, so click on it, and then you see again multiple option. Now you see photo colorizer. Colorize your black and white photos with AI, so click on it. So we are going to upload photo. Now you see drag and drop file here, so click on upload. Now select photo. Now processing and generating. Now you see color added in our black and white photo, so you can download it. Now you see original, so click on it. So this is our original image. See changes, so this is our color image. So we are going to download it, so click on it and then click on save. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.